Hi there, this is Andrea with my advanced interactive concept for week 3. I have my little experiment set up behind me, but I'm going to explain what's happening first because usually get distracted throughout it. So what I'm going to do is show the vinegar and baking soda reaction. That's an acid-base reaction, which is pretty much neutralization. So I'll explain that vinegar has acetic acid in it, and what makes it an acid is that it has a hydrogen ion. Baking soda is a base because the chemical formula contains an oxygen and hydrogen molecule that donates or that receives the hydrogen ion from the acid. So the acid donates the proton and the base accepts it. So even though they are both weak, they're both a weak acid and a weak base, they will still react and create water. The hydrogen from the acid reacts with the oxygen and hydrogen atom from the base, and then you get H2O. And then after the water forms, the rest of the molecules will create the next reaction. So there's actually 2 reactions going on. The vinegar and the baking soda are first mixed together, and the hydrogen ion and the vinegar will react with the sodium bicarbonate and the baking soda, and the result of this initial reaction will be 2 new chemicals, and then you'll get carbonic acid and sodium acetate. The second reaction is a decomposition reaction, and the carbonic acid formed as a result of the first reaction. So that then immediately begins to decompose into water and carbon dioxide gas. So since the carbonic acid is unstable, that isn't going to stay very long. It's being a very quick reaction, and then it'll further break down and form the carbon dioxide. So the O2 gas is what is going to cause the rocket reaction. So after the baking soda and the vinegar mix, then there's going to be carbon dioxide left over. I'm going to cap the bottle. It's going to build up pressure, and then hopefully it'll create a rocket if it all goes smoothly. So that's the plan. Okay. So I have my vinegar. I'm going to do a tablespoon or so of baking soda. Feels like a lot, actually. Hopefully this will fit into the water bottle. Strapping it up in a paper towel. And then I'm gonna fill up the bottle with a bunch of vinegar. Spilling it everywhere. It's my rubber stopper. Okay. And then just gonna put the baking soda in there. Hopefully I can do it fast enough. Got my rubber stopper. I'm gonna shake it up. Aw, man! It exploded, but the stopper wasn't, I guess, lodged in there enough like a cork. So even though it did react and there was foam and gas, the stopper wasn't tight enough. Well, it was tight, but the second the pressure started to build, the stopper got released. So that didn't work out as exciting as I thought it would. Okay.